Remember making your Scratch sprite say hello? Now let's do it in Python. Today's the day we're writing real Python code. By the end of this lesson, we'll write our first Python command, make Python display messages on the screen, and understand exactly how Python reads and follows our instructions. This is where your coding journey truly begins. So here's the connection. Remember dragging that say block in Scratch? In Python, we don't drag anything. Instead, we type a special command called print. Same idea, just typed instead of dragged. And here it is, your first Python program. See this line? Print, then parentheses, then our message in quotes, then closing parenthesis. That's all it takes to make Python talk. Press that green run button and boom! There's our message. Python just said, "Hello world." Can you believe it? You just made a computer speak using real code. Now watch this. We can add more print commands. First line says, "Hello world." Then Python moves to the second line and says, "I'm learning Python." See how Python reads from top to bottom just like we read a book? Hold on, let me tell you something incredible. This exact print command you just wrote, game developers at Nintendo use it. Scientists at NASA use it. Tech companies like Google use it. You're using the same tools as professional programmers. Here's how Python thinks. When we run this code, Python starts at line 1 and prints welcome. Then it moves to line 2 and prints to Python. Always top to bottom, one line at a time. Quick challenge. What will appear when we run this code? Think about it. The answer is welcome on the first line, then to Python on the second line. Each print command creates its own line of output. Our Python friend has something to say. Every amazing Python program, from Instagram to YouTube, started with someone writing their first print statement, just like you did today. Remember this forever. Python is like a very obedient friend who follows your instructions exactly, reading from the top of your code to the bottom, never skipping ahead or going backwards. Incredible work today. We discovered that print displays messages on our screen. Python reads our code from top to bottom like a book, and each print command creates its own line. You're officially a Python programmer now. Next up, we'll dive deeper into the magic of print statements.